Okay, so, ow, why'd you just take a tomato on me? That's rude. It hurts me.
Sorry.
I want tomatoes. Can I have a tomato?
Yeah.
Tomato. She's growing tomatoes.
I'm growing tomatoes.
Wait, where is it?
This
Faces.
trust us, okay? Tomato.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Yeah, okay, anyway.
Okay, that doesn't matter. She's growing an awesome garden.
Okay,
Ah!
that was weird. I know.
Good. Very good tomatoes.
Tomato. Okay, keep going! Okay.
Okay. Just checking in. I got glasses and. No, I'm fogging up. Oh, I can't see in one eye. Yeah. And so. That was unexpected. Okay. Well, yeah. What else was that? I don't know. Maybe a fart. I don't know.
Sorry. Okay,
Yo,
how about you
walk
make
away.
a
You just
video